Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So if like me you need to reprogram your key, so if it's come unsynced to the car or you change the battery in it, I'm not talking about repairs on this, that's for another video, but if you purely need to program the key back to the car, so sometimes they get unsynced from the car, then there's some really simple steps that you can do. You don't need any tools or anything. All you've got to do is get into the car, close the door and don't open the door again until you finish programming the keys. So what we'll do, we'll jump in the R53 and show you how to do it. Okay, so what you're going to do is put the key in, turn it to the first position, take it back out again, and then within 10 seconds you need to hold the unlock button and press the lock button 3 times. If it's successful, the door locks will go up and down. So as I say, you hold that unlock button, press the lock button 3 times and then let go of the unlock button, and those door locks should then open and close, and that's your key program. Okay, so you turn to ignition to position 1, take the key straight out, then hold and press 1, 2, 3. There you go. And if it does that, that means it's been successful. Okay, and if that's been successful, you should be able to lock and unlock using the fob now. Okay, so that video is obviously only going to fix certain programming issues. It's not going to help you completely cut a new key or solve any sort of major problems in terms of changing batteries, etc. But I know a lot of people have asked just how to resync a key, and that's what that's really going to help you with. So if you found it useful, please hit that thumbs up button to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get alerts every time we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.